Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Wayflyer plan for scaling online stores. When my e-commerce business started hitting that wall, the one where cash flow is tight but the growth opportunities are huge, I had to look beyond traditional loans. That's when I found Wayflyer. From my experience, the best plan is a single product, but a strategy built on their flexible options as you scale. Initially, when my sales were growing but still unpredictable, their cash advance was a perfect fit. It's a form of revenue-based financing. Here's why it works. I received a chunk of capital up front for things like inventory or a big ad push, and I paid it back as a small, agreed-upon percentage of my daily or weekly sales. On a slow sales day, I paid less. On a blockbuster day, I paid more. This aligned the repayment directly with my cash flow, which was critical for managing risk in the early growth phase. It took the pressure off those slower weeks. As the business matured and our sales became more predictable, the most strategic shift was moving toward a term loan for certain investments. With a term loan, the repayment schedule is fixed. This works well once you have a clear, consistent revenue stream and are investing in things with a known ROI, like a warehouse lease or major software integration. The predictability of the repayment helped me budget and forecast expenses much more accurately than the variable structure. But the absolute best plan for continuous scaling for an established business is the rolling financing option. This is where you get ongoing access to capital over a longer contract, often a year, without having to reapply every single time. It's essentially a pre-approved line of credit that you can tap into for rapid, opportunistic growth, like jumping on a sudden spike in demand or a chance to buy a large amount of discounted inventory. It gave my business agility and speed, which are essential for winning in a competitive e-commerce market. On top of the funding itself, a key part of the Wayflyer plan that I found invaluable was the data and analytics platform they provide. This is a game changer. It integrates with your sales and marketing channels and gives you insights on where your ad spend is most effective. It helps you see your cash flow forecast with and without the funding, so you're making truly informed decisions, not just borrowing blind. So, the best plan is to start with a cash advance for flexibility, transition to a term loan for predictable, high ROI investments, and ultimately secure rolling financing for maximum agility and continuous growth. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.